Hi, the topic for today is short division with remainders. But before moving to the topic, let's revise a few concepts. So the first one is short division. Short division is the process of dividing one number by another without writing down each and every step, particularly when the divisor is a single digit. Now, each part of division has a different name. The first one is dividend. It is the number which is being divided. Then we have divisor. It is the number by which we divide. Then quotient, that is the answer to the division problem. And lastly, the remainder, which is the part of a quantity that is left over after dividing it into equal groups. As we can see in the image given below, here 67 is the number which is being divided, so it is the dividend. 5 is the number by which we are dividing, so it is the divisor. 12 is the answer to the division problem, so it is the quotient. And 2 is the part of a quantity that is left over after dividing, so that is our remainder. Okay, let me tell you a fun fact. The remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Great. Now, let's learn the steps of short division. We'll do it with the help of an example, but always remember that we start from the digit at the left and then we move towards the right. So here we have an example, 266 divided by 3. Now the step 1 is that we will write the multiples of divisor. So the multiples are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Now let's move on to the second step. In this step, we can see that 3 does not go into 2, so we will divide 26 by 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. So 26 take away 24 is equal to 2. So the remaining 2 tens are exchanged for 21s. Now let's move to the step 3. Here 3 divides into 24 8 times, but we have 26 ones here. So take away 24 from 26 and we get the remainder, that is 2, which means 3 does not go completely into 266. So at last we will write our answer in this form. 266 divided by 3 is equal to 88, remainder 2. We can work out the missing value by using the following division equation. That is, quotient times divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Let's try another example here. Now, if the quotient is 72, divisor is 5 and the dividend is 362, then what is the remainder? Alright, we will try to solve this problem using the division equation, that is quotient times divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So 72 times 5 plus r is equal to 362. Now 360 plus r is equal to 362. We will take 360 to the other side. So r is equal to 362 take away 360. So our remainder is 2. Okay, let's try another question. The question is 148 divided by 7 is equal to what? Okay, here is the explanation to this question. Let's start the division from the left digit. As we can see, 7 does not go into 1. So we will exchange 100 and make it 14 tens. Now 7 times 2 is 14 and there is no remainder. But 8 does not come in the 7 times table as 7 times 1 is 7. So 8 take away 7 is equal to 1. So we have our remainder here that is equal to 1.